realize what high-powered positions you had as a career woman. I mean, to balance that.
Well, but before I was First Lady?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. I had jobs before I was First Lady, everyone.
Pretty high-powered one.
And sometimes that gets lost.
Executive Vice President.
I had big
University
jobs. I was
big.
really, I'm smart, continue to be. That's why sometimes when I get the question, how did you know what to do as First Lady?
That's what I want.
And it's like, well, okay, I went to Princeton, Harvard Law, was a lawyer, worked in the city, worked with Carla, working on libraries, worked in planning and economic development, ran a nonprofit organization, was vice president of a hospital. I don't know. Maybe it was osmosis. I don't know. Just sort of instinct.
You were able to use some of those experiences.
So yeah, you know, I didn't come to the position of First Lady a blank slate. So we had fun. We had lots of fun, and all our fun always involved kids, because kids are good. They just make everything better. And we wanted to make sure that kids felt like this White House belonged to them. You know, that they felt like when they walked into it, and kids of all backgrounds felt like this was a place that kids were supposed to be, not like peering out the front gates, but they were supposed to walk in those doors and experience everything that was going on in there. And that was, I think, of all the things that we did, the work that we were able to do with young people was the most fulfilling and hopefully the most impactful work that we did in those 8 years.
I just have to tell you, we are glad that you were Michelle Obama.
Thank you, Carla.
And they are too.
Thank you all. Thank you for everything you all do. Keep doing the work out in the community. We need you.